Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is my last day in Vermont and today I'm going to do camping. So there are two types of camping. One is like you go inside a forest and start camping by yourself, and the second type is there are camping grounds where you can pay them and reserve a place, and you can have electricity, washroom and all that kind of stuff. So it's summer, so the place is quite full. We were not able to book it online, so we are going at that place and book a camping area for us, and then we are going to head down to Walmart, buy a cheap camping tent. We searched online and it is approximately $25. So we're gonna go there, buy a tent, and then come back and then again then start camping. And so this is my first time doing camping, so it's going to be fun and I hope you enjoy it, so stay tuned. So I'm here in Walmart and I'm gonna grab a camping tent and maybe some fish to fry. All right. So we did not find a tent in Walmart because it's the season of camping and it was all sold out. So we came back to this camping area again, and there was a small store where we could get the camping tent, and we got it for like higher price, approximately $65. And so now we are not going for at the campsite. We are going in a pond to have a swim, and then later we will when it gets darker we will go to the campsite, build a camp and cook some food. We got chicken, we got fish, we got all the Indian masalas that we need to cook, and I'm really excited for this first camping trip of mine. It is going to be awesome, and it feels very sad that this is my last day in this state, but I'll be coming back. Let's see, let's hope for the best. So we have been hiking since 30 minutes now, and look at this. One small mistake, you will fall down and you will die. So there's always a fear of dying when you're hiking, but that's the best part, right? If you're not scared of death, then how are you going to be happy about being alive, right? This hike is very difficult. The elevation is very steep, and it's been like 1 hour since I'm hiking, and oh god, one of the toughest hike that I've done in this area. So after that long hike, we decided to have a swim. So we came to that to Bingham Falls. It's there in my previous video. If you haven't checked it, check it out. It will be there in the description box below. And we swam in this waterfall. We jumped from there, and now we are heading back to our campsite over there. We are going to mount a tent, marinate some chicken and fish, and have a bonfire. And I'm very excited about it. It is going to be fun. So see you at the campsite. I have reached, and this is a map of the camping ground. We are camping over here, and everyone has their own tents in each of this number. So it's quite fun. Everyone is like camping, having a bonfire, and like cooking food. It's fun, and I'm really excited about it. This is something this weird. So we have to walk from here, and inside there we can like start camping. So this is our site, and we are gonna camp here. So this is our tent, and I have no fucking idea how to mount this. So, and it is going to be dark, so I won't be able to record much stuff while mounting this. So see you when I mount this stuff and I have some flashlight on myself. So we are at the camping site, and it took us around 1 hour to set this tent. Look at this tent; it's so beautiful. We are gonna sleep inside. It's a four people tent, and so much fun. We are cooking chicken, and it's almost done, I think. And now we have tilapia as well. We have marinated it, and now we're going to cook that. And it's so awesome. The sky is full of stars. It's very difficult to show you with an iPhone camera obviously, but it's so much fun. The vibe is so good. Like people are camping over there, but we cannot see them, and it's fun. Like I'm feeling like I'm really in a jungle, and the officer down, he has asked us to carry many utensils. So like whenever if a bear comes from here, we have to make a lot of noise, and that is something thrilling. So it's 2 a.m. In the morning, and it's raining heavily since 30 minutes, and I'm trying to soak everything that I can from the nature. I literally feel like a like like a caveman. This feeling is very amazing. But camping is really fun. All right, guys. It's morning, and I slept very peacefully. It was very uncomfortable as well, but it was raining all night, but it was very worth it. This is my tent, and this is where we were. So now we had a fire, and we made some tea, we drank it, and now we're going to head home. I'm going to move from Vermont to Rochester and start my school. So I hope you really enjoyed this vlog. If you did enjoyed all my vlog, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next vlog. Bye. This is what I like about this town. If you graduate, your photo is on the street. So like the whole street is having a photo of all the people who graduated this year. That is so respectful.